In this video, you will learn how to apply for jobs through your Handshake account. Handshake is a platform that allows you to apply for jobs, internships, and gain work experience. Overall, it is an easy tool to explore and is beneficial to start going into the workforce. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and the first thing we're going to do is check our profile. To do so, you can click the top right corner with your icon and click My Profile. As you can see through this little completion bar that my profile is 100% completed, and we can quickly scan through it to see that I have everything filled out and we are good to go. So we're going to go ahead and click the job tab up top. And something that is super easy when doing job searches is using filters and keywords to make this process a bit quicker. So because summer is coming up and I'm looking for a part-time job, I'm going to go ahead and type in camp counselor to see what the summer camps are. Counselor, there you go. And I'm going to put my location, Kerrville, Texas. And as you can see, there are little buttons right here that have more filter options. And here's like the distance. So as you can see on the bottom left is I had 24 jobs popped up through this filter. Super cool and fast and easy. I'm interested in, let's say, Mo Ranch. So I'm going to click it, and here is our job posting. Here is the title, the location, and a bit of information about the job posting. And it's also super cool because you can see that I have matched the camp's preferences through my major, GPA, school year, and work authorization. As you scroll a bit down, you can see more job descriptions. They've attached their link to their camp. And something that's also really cool is that you can see the other students who've worked through this place before. So as you can see, we've had Ricky work at Mo Ranch Summer Camp. And here's another bar that explains where the application is. So we can go ahead and do quick apply. And they are asking for a resume, which I've already have attached because I uploaded it through my profile. And here is, I believe, a job description that Mo Ranch has uploaded on Handshake for people to see and view. So you can skim through that, and it gives you a bit more information about the job title. We're going to go back into Handshake, and all you need to do is submit your application, and now you have applied for that job posting. So again, Handshake is super easy to use. It's a great tool, and it's really important to explore your options and to gain work experiences through a job, internships, and things like that.